every day. I kinda knew it, you know just what to say. Won't overdo it, it's when you're looking that way. You know that I gotta say, you know that I think I met you in another life. I'm looking forward to days when I wake up with you by my side. I don't wanna deal with no one else but you, boy. I want all of you. You know I'm not going. If I leave, just say you'll come with me. I'm right here if you need company. So baby, just say you're all I need. You're all I need. And you've been on my mind every day and night. I'm thinking of the times when you held me tight. I feel I've been waiting my whole life.
I've been using this bag for like a week now, and honestly it's become my new favorite daily bag for a number of reasons. I think number one, the strap is extremely comfortable to wear. It has multiple holes for adjustment. You can even remove it to wear the bag as a top handle as well, which I really love. The button closure is also quite secure, but very easy to snap shut when you're on the go. And I usually just keep these buttons open. That way, if I need to easily access my stuff, the opening is quite wide. Overall, I love the leather finish of the bag. I think it makes it look quite sleek with the smooth leather. Okay, so let's quickly talk about the weight. It's a very light bag overall. When you put your things in it, it does give the bag a little bit of weight to it, but that's okay. And it does have feet on the bottom too, so that's great. When you're going to dinner, you can just sit it down on a table and not have to worry about the bottom getting scuffed. I think this would be a great staple for anyone's wardrobe.